In this tutorial, I will show you how to do while a loop. Hello everybody, this is King Tut here and welcome to the video. If you find this video for the first time and you're on YouTube or BitChute, be sure to like and subscribe. If you're on Vlare, be sure to like and follow. If you're on Library, be sure to follow and download. Thank you. Similar to while loop, a do while loop executes a block of code inside of it on and on forever as long as the condition is true. So what's the difference between a do while loop and a while loop itself? In a while loop, the condition is checked before it determines to run a block of code inside that while loop. A do while loop executes a block of code inside the do while loop first and then checks the condition. So to put in the do while loop, we need to first declare a variable and make it equal to 0. And then to implement a do while loop, you put do, and then you put in these curly braces, and then you put while, and then you put these parentheses, and then you put the condition inside that parentheses. So let's just put x less than 1. And then don't forget to put a semicolon. So unlike the while loop itself, the do while loop requires a semicolon just to end the statement. So let's just output it's looping followed by 2 exclamation points, and let's end that line. And then let's run this program. And as we see here, it keeps on printing it's looping on and on forever because x is 0 and 0 is less than 1. Let's change the value. Oh, before that, let's just terminate the program first. And let's change the value to 1. So x equals 1. So that's going to be false. But what's going to do here, it's going to output this first and then checks to see if the condition is true. So let's run that program. And it did. It printed out it's looping, and then it checks to see if x is less than 1, which it isn't. So that's false. And then the program terminates. Hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.